I'm selling my 34-foot 1992 Fleetwood Bounder. This isn't just a regular old RV for someone who wants to travel. Not only has it had many renovations and upgrades, but it is heavily equipped with a mammoth solar setup, built and designed for unlimited off-grid living. The ideal buyer of this RV is someone who wants to get the heck out of Dodge and spend most, if not all, of their time boondocking. The custom solar setup features 640 watts of panels on the roof, 800 amp hours of powerful Crown batteries only about a year old, with a 3,000 watt inverter, and a 60 amp Morningstar MPPT charge controller, which was chosen larger than necessary to accommodate for future upgrades and additions. To assist in your off-grid adventures is an 8 cubic foot Dometic fridge and freezer that can be powered on gas or electric. A 7,000 watt generator is also there for times when you'd like to use the air conditioners. The RV has been upgraded from a 30 amp system to a 50 amp dual phase system, so both air conditioners can be run at the same time. The generator also has auto start capabilities and can even be turned on from your cell phone remotely. For extra protection from the sun, there are two 21-foot awnings, one on each side of the RV, a very rare find. The awning on the street side of the RV is electrically operated. Unlike many RVs nowadays, this RV is full steel framed and on a Chevy chassis powered by a 454 engine with less than 40,000 miles. When parked, enjoy 4 hydraulically powered jacks for leveling and stabilization. The current tires are just approaching a year old and have less than 10,000 miles on them. Custom renovations make the interior unique to other RVs. The floors have sleek, clean, luxury vinyl planks and a new toilet in the bathroom. There is extra insulation added into the cabinets as well as behind the wainscoting in the living room. The kitchen faucet and shower head are also upgraded. In the bedroom, you'll appreciate the high-quality mattress that has been refitted for the RV. Tinted windows provide extra privacy as well as reduced heat from the sun. A couple years ago, I refinished the roof. It didn't leak before that, and it definitely doesn't leak now. The RV has had regular maintenance and comes with all the original manuals and service records, and a hitch receiver on the back for towing up to 4,000 pounds. Along with its 22-gallon installed propane tank, this RV also comes with an auxiliary tank and special hookups to use when the onboard tank runs out and you don't want to move the RV to go fill it up. Another couple freebies I'm throwing in are the lug wrench for the tires, a new fuel filter for it, fluids for the engine, transmission, and generator, and a big flat screen TV that I've never installed. According to the NATA guides, this RV in its original condition without the mammoth solar setup and without the renovations is worth about $12,000. But I'm willing to negotiate on the price. But the solar stuff is not negotiable and really needs to be bought by someone that wants to have that amazing benefit of off-grid living. Because this isn't just an RV, it's a sustainable off-grid adventure machine. The RV is currently located in Denton, Texas, which is just north of Dallas. If you're interested, email me your cash offer in the subject field to buypippiesrv@pippenings.com.